Imagine yourself in this 2003 Honda Pilot. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a solid 6-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes 4-wheel drive, driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors, an alarm system. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, independent suspension. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.